Have you ever wondered where your organic waste ends up? And the dirty water after you used it? While these are just waste for you, they can generate new products and new value. Putting virtuous cycles in place with consequences on your territory, with benefits for citizens and companies. For example, organic waste can be used in processes of anaerobic biodigestion to produce biogas. The output of this process, the digestate, is mixed in equal parts to green waste, that is the waste of pruning and care of parks and gardens. The mixture thus obtained can be digested in processes of aerobic digestion to produce compost, useful for fertilizing the fields. The waste compost, too impure to be sold instead, is a useful amends for road surfaces to restore land and fill quarries. But back to the water. Do you know where it ends? Yes, that too. It is conveyed into the sewer system and is purified with costly technological processes. Once purified, it is fed into the rivers and canals. The same water is used to irrigate fields and agricultural land. Imagine if there was a way to make this process more natural and efficient. For example, with phytodepurization. Phytodepuration can be an effective systemic solution recreating complex ecosystems at the edge of the reservoirs, attracting fish, birds, and all the fauna that has almost disappeared from our countryside. In addition, the phytodepuration parks can be a meeting point for citizens. Citizens will be able to observe the consequences of their actions and understand how important it is to implement virtuous behavior. Reducing, for example, the use of pesticides in agriculture or using biodegradable bags, we would have a pure, green, and wet waste, a better compost, healthier food, and a less contaminated sewage. So, cleaner water in our rivers and healthier soil and better food. The better the food you eat, the better your organic waste is, the better will be the compost and the soil on which your food grows. You will be more inclined to eat the food of your territory, thus improving the local economy. These relationships between elements of the system of your territory will activate other relationships and end up improving not only your world, but everyone's world. Be the change. Be systemic.